guys, so today we had a Peugeot 206 in for a roof lining repair. It was sagging quite badly from front to rear, and this is the finished product. It's all been redone. So the headliner board came out the car, and then the old glue got taken off, the old material got chucked in the bin, and we reapplied brand new material and reinstalled it back in. So if you're looking for the steps to do that, just click the link below in the description. There'll be an ebook there titled Headlining Secrets. You can download that one, and it'll just take you along all the steps that we take professionally to recover a sagging roof lining. Plus we go into things like common problems to watch out for, just saving you money and time there. So but anyway, what I wanted to bring to your attention today is that if you're trying to drop down one of these headliner boards, and you may have taken off the sun visors, the grab handles, the pillars, and the light assembly here, and you probably found that the roof lining's still not coming away from the dropping down. So what we found is most Peugeots from the factory, in the manufacturer, they actually glue these headliner boards to the metal part of the roof. So you've got to try to separate that to make it drop down, and what we found is these boards are only made from like a fiberglass cardboard panel, and if you're trying to rip it down, you're going to damage the headliner board, and it's going to be a chuck away. Also, depending on how much glue they did use in the factory, may increase the level of difficulty in dropping this down. So we found with this one, there was about 5 strips of glue holding this one up, so it was quite difficult to drop down. Our method was basically putting our hand between the headliner and the metal part of the roof and just slowly trying to separate it, you know, starting at the front here, maybe at the back, and just kept circling around until it finally came down. And yeah, it turned out great, but we don't glue them back up when we reinstall these. They're actually quite strong, they hold their shapes. I don't know why they did it. You can use Velcro to hold it up. It's a better method, I think. But yeah, let me know in the description below, or the comment section, like yeah, the comment section, of course. Let me know if you have a method that you use to drop down one of these headliner boards. And you know, we have tried like a heat gun in the past. Didn't like that idea. It started smoking a bit. You know, you can use like a bit of a spade or a flathead screwdriver to drop it down. But yeah, we found that just putting your hand under it and just trying to drop it down. I'll include some video footage in this one to show you what we did. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, guys, just give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys here on the next video. Cheers.